Matplotlib in AI. Beginner level. Introduction. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning projects often involve analyzing large datasets. To better understand this data, developers use data visualization tools. One of the most widely used visualization libraries in Python is Matplotlib. Matplotlib allows programmers to create graphs, charts, and plots that help visualize patterns and relationships in data. Data visualization using Matplotlib helps developers understand datasets, detect trends and patterns, analyze machine learning results, communicate insights clearly. What is Matplotlib? Matplotlib is a Python library used for creating visualizations such as charts, graphs, and plots. In simple words, Matplotlib helps convert data into visual graphics. Example concept. Dataset means Matplotlib, visualization means insights. It is widely used in data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, research and analytics. Why Matplotlib is important in AI. In AI development, understanding data is extremely important before training models. Matplotlib helps developers visualize datasets, detect outliers, identify patterns, analyze model performance. Example concept. Raw dataset means visualization means better understanding means improved AI model. Visualization makes complex datasets easier to interpret. Installing Matplotlib. Matplotlib can be installed using Python's package manager. Example command. Pip install Matplotlib. Importing Matplotlib in Python. Import Matplotlib. Pyplot as PLT. The module Pyplot is commonly used for creating plots. Basic plot example. A simple line plot can be created using Matplotlib. Example. Import Matplotlib. Pyplot as PLT. Data equals 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. PLT. Plot. Data. PLT. Title. Data trend. PLT. Show. Output concept. Line chart showing increasing trend. This example visualizes how values change. Line plot. A line plot shows trends in data, especially over time. Example dataset. Month sales. Jan 100. February 120. Mar 150. Example code. Import Matplotlib. Pyplot as PLT. Months equals Jan, Feb, Mar. Sales equals 100, 120, 150. PLT. Plot. Months. Sales. PLT. Title. Monthly sales. PLT. Show. Line charts help analyze time-based data. Bar chart. A bar chart is useful for comparing categories. Example dataset. Product sales. A100, B150, C200. Example code. Import Matplotlib. Pyplot as PLT. Products equals A, B, C. Sales equals 100, 150, 200. PLT.bar. Products. Sales. PLT. Title. Product sales. PLT. Show. Bar charts help compare values across groups. Histogram. A histogram shows how data is distributed. Example code. Import Matplotlib. Pyplot as PLT. Data equals 10, 20, 20, 30, 40, 40, 40. PLT. Hist. Data. PLT. Title. Data distribution. PLT. Show. Histograms help visualize data distributions in frequency. Scatter plot. A scatter plot shows the relationship between two variables. Example dataset. Study hours exam score. 240, 460, 680. Example code. Import Matplotlib. Pyplot as PLT. Hours equals 2, 4, 6, scores equals 40, 60, 80, PLT, scatter, hours, scores, PLT, title, study versus score, PLT, show. Scatter plots help identify correlations between variables. Labels and titles. Matplotlib allows adding labels to make charts easier to understand. Example, import Matplotlib, pyplot as PLT, data equals 10, 20, 30, PLT, plot, data, PLT, X label, index, PLT, Y label, value, PLT, title, sample chart, PLT, show. Labels help explain what the chart represents. Matplotlib in machine learning workflow. Matplotlib is commonly used in machine learning workflows. Example pipeline. Dataset means visualization means feature analysis means model training means result. Visualization. Developers use Matplotlib to explore datasets, visualize training progress, evaluate model predictions, visualizing model performance. Matplotlib helps visualize machine learning results. Examples include loss curves during training, accuracy graphs, prediction comparisons. Example concept. Model training means performance, visualization means evaluation. Visualization helps developers understand how well a model is performing. Real-world applications. Matplotlib is used in many AI-related fields. Data science. Visualizing datasets to discover patterns. Healthcare AI. Visualizing medical trends and patient data. Financial analytics. Analyzing stock price movements. Research and machine learning. Visualizing experimental results. Concepts learned from Matplotlib basics. Understanding Matplotlib helps beginners learn. Checkmark how to visualize datasets. Checkmark how to analyze data visually. Checkmark how to evaluate machine learning models. Visualization tools are essential in data science and AI development. Simple definition. Matplotlib, a Python library used to create charts and graphs for data visualization in artificial intelligence and data science. Final summary. Matplotlib is one of the most widely used Python libraries for data visualization. It allows developers to create charts such as line plots, bar charts, histograms, and scatter plots. In AI and machine learning, Matplotlib helps explore datasets, detect patterns, and visualize model performance. By transforming raw data into visual insights, Matplotlib makes data analysis more intuitive and effective. Understanding Matplotlib is an important step for anyone learning AI, data science, and machine learning with Python.